Hi, I'm Rob. I've been selling appliances for over a decade now, and there's one thing that you need to know when you're buying a washer and dryer now, because there's actually three different types that exist that weren't around more than 15, 20 years ago. And you should need to know it, and it's probably one thing that most salespeople and even in big box stores won't bring up. And number one, they are all HE, meaning water efficient, water savings. But there's the agitator, which is impeller, agitator, which is a agitator that you're all used to, and then the front load agitator, which is basically the old-fashioned laundromat, goes round and round. So the first one that many may be used to is the agitator with the old agitator setup. So that one here is just as you see it, the old agitator, which is designed to wash the clothes thoroughly, because the water goes round and round, up and down. But still, with HE, most will only get about a third of the way up. The second one is the high efficiency impeller agitators, which are like this one here. And again, it's only going to get about a third of the way up in water. So unless you hit a deep fill. So a lot of these will have a deep fill setting, and that'll allow it to go almost all the way up the way it was used to. And then the last one is your front loaders, which will use the least amount of water, and will get, because the agitation is around and round, they'll get very clean with a little water. The top load agitators, the ones with the impeller, and the ones with the agitator right now max out about like a government standard of 20 to 22 gallons, whereas years ago they were using 35, 40 gallons per load. The deep water fill will allow it to go slightly higher, so those bigger loads, sheets, comforters, etc., can get the water that you're used to. But the front load agitators, which are the ones that everybody's going to, they're highly water efficient, and those ones there basically use little water but will get it clean. So again, if you're going to do a new washer purchase in the near future, get a head up, get a leg up on it, and just start with the three different types and narrow it down. That way you can go into the sales floor a little bit more knowledgeable than even some people there, but you'll get to go in knowing which type of washer that you want from the get-go. Okay, any other questions? Subscribe to this channel, and hope to post more things over time, sharing my knowledge over the last 10 years plus. Thanks.